So welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create an account for Google AdSense. So Google AdSense account, what is this? So by this time you must know that Google AdSense account is an account which will help you to be paid by Google once you upload your videos on YouTube. So to make an account on YouTube for Google AdSense, you must have a Google account and a YouTube channel. So if you have a YouTube channel, then you go to Mozilla Firefox and go to your first page, youtube.com. So this is your YouTube channel. So you can see one logo here. You click here, you go to your channel. So first of all, you must remember you have to customize channel, otherwise your Google AdSense account will not be allowed by Google and YouTube channel. So I have already changed this picture and this icon. So this icon you will get automatically from your Google account, and you have to change just this big image. So you can see here edit option, you can click here edit channel art. So you can change this picture. This picture is having some requirement of pixels. So once you upload, that time you will see the pixels what they require. So after this, you can see this three lines left top corner. So once you click, the icons will be minimized. Once you click again, then the icons will come here. Okay, so once you click my channel, so see it will come to the previous page. So you click again and you go to settings. You can see settings here. You click here, then you can see these options. So you will go to channel status and features. So you can see monetization here, correct? So click on enable. So the page that will come, it will show you some regulations. See, this is the regulation of 2020. Then you see it and read it carefully. So you have to have 1000 subscriber and public watch hours 4000 to get your Google AdSense account on YouTube. So previously there was no requirement of such kind, but now they have come with these requirements. So you click here, and that once you reach to these requirements, they will give you notification for your Google AdSense account. Now some of the icons will not be available here on the left side bar. So once you reach these requirements, 1000 subscriber and 4000 hours view, then only you will see some options under this monetization, so that you can create your Google AdSense account. So this is the new requirement of YouTube channel. And one more important thing I would like to share with you: once you create your channel, you start uploading your own videos, so that you can get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours. Remember, before you start your YouTube channel, you must go through the policies and regulations and copyright regulations YouTube have. Otherwise you will get some bad remark from YouTube, and some of your features will be locked. So please don't upload any kind of videos that you will copy from YouTube. Suppose you are downloading some videos from YouTube and again you are uploading to YouTube from your channel, so they will warn you every time. So Google and YouTube nowadays is very smart. Whatever you copy and paste, they will not allow you to do this. So please upload your own videos so that you can get 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours very fastly, because after you reach this mark only you will get your those options for creating a Google AdSense account. So I'll show you. Go to settings, you can see channel, you have basic information here, so you can change your channel name, and here keywords, you will write the keywords regarding what your channel is. So my channel will talk about computer technology, so that's why I have given keywords computer tech. So if you have planned something for your channel, so you put your keywords here, and see this option country, you must fill this country to United States. If you are out of United States and you are not getting rights to do this from your area, then you have to change it to United States option. Suppose you are in Bangladesh or you are in some any other country that YouTube does not have their officials, okay, so they cannot monitor from those country, so you must have to change the country status to USA. So after doing all this, you click save, so it will be saved. Then you see here advanced setting, okay, so you can see if you have made your YouTube videos for kids, then yes, you can click here yes, and if your videos are not made for kids, then you click here no, so this channel is not made for kids. And if you want YouTube to ask you every time, then you can click here I want to review this setting for every video, okay. Then see this one, link account. If you have any other YouTube channel, so you can link from here. Then you click here, display the number of people subscribed to my channel. So how many people are subscribing your channel you can see, so you can click right here, so you will get other channel settings. If you want to delete your channel, delete from here, and after all this you will save from here. You press the save button and it will be saved. Then you can see branding, okay, adding a video watermark to your content is a great way to improve brand awareness and channel recognition. Then you can see feature eligibility, default features or features that require phone verification. Then you can see here upload defaults, and you can see permission, you can see community. So whatever change you do from here, after that you click save. So first option is dashboard, you click here on dashboard, and on dashboard you can see a summary of your viewers and watch time hours from here. So I have opened this channel new for you so that you can understand, because many people were commenting my basic channel that they are not able to create a Google AdSense account on YouTube. So that's why I have made this video for you, so that you don't worry about this. So you can get channel analytics from here. So you can see here views in the last 28 days. You can see reach here, then engagement, then audience, see unique viewers, average views per viewer, subscribers. So friends, if you want to go live from your YouTube channel, you can go live from here, and if you want to upload your video, then you click on this icon, see plus icon, create a video or post, and you upload from here, upload video. Okay, thank you friends. So you can subscribe my channel and be with me, so that you can get all these videos and you can make yourself smart on this technology. Okay, thank you so much.